Ringo Starr's legacy as a member of the Beatles is undeniably remarkable, yet that doesn't mean he looks back on his career without any regrets. The iconic group, composed of Starr, Paul McCartney, John Lennon, and George Harrison, officially disbanded in 1974. Over the years, much has been said about how each member felt about their time in the band. George Harrison, for example, famously distanced himself from the group, walking out at one point and later refusing to collaborate with certain members again. Before his passing, he even wrote a song believed to be directed at McCartney and Lennon. Despite the internal conflicts and personal differences, Ringo maintained a different perspective. He once opened up about his biggest regret regarding the breakup of the band. Although the Beatles never formally reunited after their split, there were moments when individual members collaborated in smaller groups. Still, any hopes of a full reunion were tragically cut short by the murder of John Lennon in 1980. That hope faded even further when George Harrison passed away from lung cancer in 2001. Starr has expressed that one of his biggest regrets is not having a chance to reunite with all his bandmates before it was too late. He shared that the main obstacle may have simply been the lack of initiative. No one ever fully committed to making it happen. Conversations took place between some of the members, and they still had the talent and material to make a reunion possible, but it never came to fruition. He reflected on what could have been, imagining performing songs like A Day in the Life together again. Sadly, with both Lennon and Harrison gone, the possibility has now vanished entirely. The Beatles experienced a meteoric rise to fame between 1963 and 1964, sparking global Beatlemania, especially in the United States. During their active years, they released 13 studio albums and one compilation, earning 7 Grammy Awards and solidifying their status as one of the most influential bands in music history.